In this video, we're going to go over how to compare the values of integers. So we're going to be using inequalities to see which integer is greater than the other. And it's important to know magnitudes of integers, meaning how great they are, as well as what integer is more than another when we do math problems. So let's dive into it. 7 and -5, so which number is greater? So one way of doing this is to visualize it on a number line. 7 means go to the right of 0, 7 on a number line. So that'd be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 right here. And I'll put a 7 right there to mark the spot. I didn't mark every little tick mark on this one to give you a little more space to read it. Anyway, -5 means go to the left 5 on a number line. So that would be over 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So I'll put a dot right there. And so that's -5. So we see that since -5 is much farther to the left than +7 is, -5 is said to be less than 7. You can also think of it in a real world scenario. So let me just write this out. -5 is less than 7. And think of it as you have dollars in debt, right? So you owe $5 versus having $7 in your wallet. That is a comparison that sometimes helps students as well. So farther to the left on the number line means less than, farther to the right means greater than, or greater than a number that's farther to the left, that is. Okay, let's jump into this one. 0 and -3. Well, we'll plot them. 0 is right here. -3 is to the left. So again, you might not need to use these number lines, but at least visually when you're first learning to compare integers, you can think -3 is to the left 3, -3, and 0, well, that is to the right of -3, so we know that 0 is greater than -3. It is more than -3, and we see that on the number line. Last but not least, one other example. You have -6 and -2. Uh-oh, both are negative numbers. What do we do? Well, we just look at which number is farther to the left. -6 is to the left 6. -2 is to the left 2. So -6 is right here, whereas -2 is right there. So the number that is farther to the left is -6. It would be like being more in debt than we are with $2 in debt. So being $2 in debt versus $6 in debt. So -6 is less than -2. And that's all I've got for you in this video, a simple how to compare integers.